Hey folks, Serpent Trading here, and going to take another look at Diagnostics, as he had another big day, another big sell-off today. Obviously, we had this big sell-off on Monday due to the announcement of the vaccine from Pfizer. I felt that was overdone, frankly, and I thought it would be finding some sort of support down here. Unfortunately, yesterday there was some bad news came out, and I'll just go to this. A report about the accuracy of their test, and basically lots of news coming out saying that the test is rubbish. Omicron did release a RNS to refute this, and I thought this was a key point in this RNS. Was their fourth point here. The title of the paper illustrates the author's misunderstanding of the purpose of our test, and it is not designed to detect previous infection, but rather to detect the presence of a particular type of antibody. So I don't think there's much that's really changed in this stock. I still think it's oversold. There was some other news that came out today, and that was about the government facing a legal challenge over the £75 million contract. That's to that rapid testing consortium that Omega is part of. And most of the price rise of Omega has been due to like the news of these tests and sort of revenues they can pick up from the testing. I'm a bit concerned today, obviously, because it has actually closed, and not just broken, it's actually closed under the channel. And as I say, I felt that the bottom of the channel would provide resistance. I'm still up in this position, about 22%. There was quite high volume today, 15 million, and somebody has done a little calculation and pointed out of this 15 million total volume, that most of it was actually buys. So, why has the price dropped 14%? But that does happen. This happens quite often. But it can show some sort of fundamental strength to the stock if you are noticing that there's a lot more buys than sells. I'm actually quite confident that this will get back up into this channel. We might see a close into the channel tomorrow. So I'm going to keep an eye on it tomorrow. I haven't actually bought any more of Omega. I did want to buy some more on the Monday weakness of for Open Orphan, but I wasn't able to get filled. I tried 3 times, wasn't able to get filled, and I gave up after that. I'll have a look at Omega tomorrow, see if I can put a trade in for them. I'll see what the price does first. If the price shows a lot more weakness, I'll probably just sidestep it again. So yeah, this is just a bit of an update. It's had a weak last week, but this week's been absolute nightmare, frankly. I don't think the story for this stock has really changed that much. It's frankly not made that much money out of the COVID situation yet, and in all honesty, it's probably do quite well in a post-COVID world. I can just see this as a little bit of over exuberance and people selling off their positions. I do regret not selling out when we were back at the 90p level. I should have sold a little bit. I could have definitely sold in these days here. I did miss the spike, so I couldn't have got £1 plus. But 90, 95p was definitely possible to sell out at. And yeah, I think that's my thoughts on Omega. I don't really see that the business model has changed very much. They did release some question and answers for their recent presentation. I think the presentation was last week. All seemed very positive. And yeah, we'll keep an eye on it tomorrow, I suppose, and just see what happens. If it closes outside again of this channel, we could see some more weakness, and we could see possible dropping the price back to this kind of 36p level where we had support last time. I wouldn't really want to see it back down there, but I'm probably willing to break even on this stock if I have to. It seems a shame after being up so much, but yeah, I haven't sold out, so I'm still sitting on the shares that I bought originally down here on this downtrend. So hope you got something from the video. Obviously not great news if you're a holder of Omega at the moment, but if you did get something from the video, just smash the like button or the dislike button. I don't care which one you smash, just show me a bit of a response, and leave a comment down below if you've got anything to add. I'll catch you in the next video.